All right, this video is to show you how to save your certificate at the end of our tutorial. Uh, so we are finishing up. I've made it all the way to the end. And I'm going to let this lesson review run through. And it should finish. And it will automatically, you may have to wait a minute, but it will automatically come up with this box where it asks for your name, and you will type in your first and your last name for me. And once you type in your name, you'll click done, and it will automatically populate your name into the certificate. And what you will do is you will click print. And this is if you are working in Google Chrome. So working in Google Chrome, you will click print, and your destination is what you are looking for. Mine, for whatever reason, automatically pops up as save as PDF. Yours might come up as a printer. You've got lots of different options here. But if you save it as a PDF, then click save. It will open up your file explorer and you can save it in the appropriate folder. So for me, I'm saving it in my Unit 3. And it is saved. Just make sure you know where you're saving it. Now that you have saved it, you will be able to upload that document to the Dropbox on our class plan for today. So again, this was for Google Chrome. And if you need a different version of Google Chrome or to do this, then you can look at one of my other videos.